I'd like to invite you to join me for a Yoga Nidra session, which is a relaxation form of yoga. All you need for this is something comfy to wear, a blanket or a throw if you have one, something nice and snuggly. And I'd like to invite you to lay down comfortably on your mat if you have one, on your bed, on your sofa, on your floor, anyway that's comfortable for you. And just lay on your back if that feels safe for you to do. If not, you can lay on your side or on your front. Allow all of your body to relax. Allow your feet to relax out. If you're laying on your back, let them drop out to your sides. Turn your palms facing up towards the sky. Again, if that doesn't feel good to you, put them facing down, that's fine also. And when you're ready, just close your eyes. Take a nice long breath in through your nose. And blow the breath away gently through your mouth. And just do a few rounds of those deep breaths to send relaxation to every cell in your body. Now I'd like you to use your imagination. Just visualize with your mind's eye. Visualize a big, bright, shining white star above your head. It's glowing so bright and shimmering, sending its beautiful light out in every direction. The colour of the white light is now changing. The light is shining in your favourite colour. Maybe it's purple, maybe it's blue, maybe it's pink or silver. Imagine what your very own shining bright star looks like right now above your head. Notice now that one of the biggest rays of light is streaming down on top of your head. And just see if you can feel the cozy, warm light touch the top of your head. Just notice how nice that feels. The light now comes in through the top of your head, over your face, and relaxing all of your face muscles. Now the light is travelling down into your neck, your shoulders, now your arms. Feel the light as it moves down into your hands and into each of your fingers. The beautiful warm light now travels down into your chest, into your belly, and down through each leg. And finally, it travels down into your feet and into each of your toes, relaxing them and filling them with beautiful light. Notice the light come into your heart now, and with every breath in that you take, notice your heart getting bigger and bigger and bigger, bigger and brighter, filling up with love and so much warmth for all of the people that you love, all of the people around you. Spreading out to all the people and all the animals in the world. And also for you. See the rays of light radiating out from your heart, out into the world all around you. Let's just stay in this place for a little while. Notice how it feels to be here in this moment. Notice how your body feels, how your mind feels to be filled with so much love and so much light. And when you're ready, just start to connect with your body again. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a big deep breath in, blow it away. If you're laying on your back, roll over onto your side. Gently open your eyes and slowly come back up to seated position. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.